I wish I had known this AI tool a couple of years ago. I feel like I wasted a whole lot of time spending hours sifting through endless research papers just to write my literature reviews, essays, and even thesis. Yes, writing a literature review could be very time-consuming and somewhat difficult. However, with this AI chatbot, all our concerns are gone. Hello, intellects. Welcome back to my channel. Have you heard of AnswerThisAI? You need to try it out if you have not been using this AI for your literature reviews, research papers, and essays. And if you are already using it, watch this video to see how you can use AnswerThisAI to write an A-grade critical literature review your lecturers will love. Ever since I discovered this AI, it has been my loyal research assistant. You should use it to write your literature reviews in minutes, and the beautiful thing is that it is free. To me, AnswerThisAI is the best AI chatbot for students to write excellent research and literature reviews. So, in this video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to use AnswerThisAI to write a literature review. But before you dive into writing, understand this. Your literature review isn't just background filler. It's your proof that you know the field, can think critically, and are ready to contribute real insight. And the better it is, the stronger your whole research will be. AnswerThisAI is more than a chatbot. It's like a smart, tireless research assistant. It doesn't just summarize, it reads, understands, and connects ideas across multiple sources to give you real academic insights in seconds. This AI has a deep research feature you should use while writing your literature review. We'll show you how to use it in a short while. Let's get to it now. Step 1. Define your research focus. Let's say your topic is the impact of social media use on academic performance among university students. Instead of starting with a blank page, go to AnswerThisAI and enter your topic in the search bar. Step 2. Gather literature. You can begin by uploading PDFs you want to include in your review, or allow AnswerThisAI to do the work for you. AnswerThisAI will scan them for relevant themes, arguments, and keywords, helping you filter out noise and focus only on what matters. In this video, I will allow AnswerThis to find studies itself. You can use the prompt helper to get the precise prompt to write your literature review. But I don't think I need it this time. Now, let's set our filters and options. I will go with a structured literature review feature to get a focused, citation-backed summary. You can use the deep research feature here. Under Source, select Internet and Research Papers so you're pulling from both published literature and recent web-based studies. Use the research paper filters to refine your results. For example, you can set journal quality to Q1 or Q2 for higher impact sources. Choose a start date, maybe 2018, to focus on recent trends in social media use. You can even enable turbo mode if you want faster responses, though it may skip some depth. I rarely use the turbo mode though. Then hit Submit Search and let AnswerThisAI work its magic. Within seconds, your literature review will be completed. Here is your literature review. Over here, you have information on studies cited. You can choose whatever you want, including downloading a CSV or BibText of curated list of cited, peer-reviewed studies, complete with titles, authors, publication details, abstracts, and key sections. Then, stroll down a bit to download a Word doc or a PDF format of the literature review. I usually go for a doc format so that I can do my editing easily. Look at this! Awesome! The literature review was well formatted into relevant subheadings. It consisted of 11,170 words. The reference list was comprehensive and done based on Chicago reference style. You can always choose your preferred reference style. Do you know you can use AnswerThis AI Writer to do your editing? It works even better than a typical word processing software. Now, step 3. Summarize and identify gaps. With a single click, AnswerThis gives you summaries that compare perspectives, highlight contradictions, and even suggest gaps in the existing literature. This is where critical thinking meets automation. To get gaps in literature, go to Mini Tools. In the Mini Tool dashboard, stroll down a bit. You will see the Empathy Tool, AI Essay Writer, Research Gap Finder, and an AI Paraphrasing Tool. I will review their Paraphrasing Tool one of these days. Select the Research Gap Finder. I will just enter our sample title to get the gaps for our literature review. It will take seconds for this AI to generate summaries of research gaps. But we can't add this to our literature review in this state. Therefore, I ask a follow-up question, prompting write 2 or 3 paragraphs to describe existing gaps on impact of social media use on academic performance among university students. Fantastic! AnswerThis AI acts according. You should copy it and paste it as a subheading in your literature review. However, always review whatever any AI produces. Step 4. Thematic mapping and outline. Once you have gathered your insights, you don't have to stop at plain text. With AnswerThis AI, you can turn complex information into clear visual diagrams instantly. Just head to the Create Your Diagram section, describe what you want to visualize, and choose from options like flowcharts, mind maps, entity relationship diagrams, or even Gantt charts. For example, you can map the connection between social media usage patterns and academic outcomes using a flowchart, or organize key themes with a mind map. I used a mind map, and look at what it looks like. What do you think? Such mind maps are a powerful way to understand your research at a glance, and they will definitely impress your professors with clear, structured thinking. Meanwhile, you should know that any generative AI like this will be detected as AI on any AI detector like Turnitin or Originality AI. So always use a good AI humanizer or rephrase manually. So there you have it, a full step-by-step walkthrough of how to write an excellent critical literature review in minutes using AnswerThis AI. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, share it with a fellow student, and subscribe for more smart academic tools and tutorials. And intellects, if you want exclusive content like free AI and plagiarism checks monthly on the top plagiarism checker, mini tutorials, early access to my reviews, or one-on-one feedback sessions, then considering joining the channel membership. It's a great way to support my work and get even more value for your studies. Have questions or want me to cover another AI tool? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, let technology work for you, not the other way around. See you in the next video, intellects. Bye.